So now here I'm going to present one demo of CCT practice items. Before that, let us have a look on the PISA mathematics framework. The mathematization is a five-stage process actually, starting with some real world problem and organizing the problem according to mathematical concepts and gradually trimming away the reality by making assumptions about which features of the problem are important and then generalizing and formalizing the problems.
Thank you.
Then the next is mathematics, solving the mathematical problem. Uh, I request everyone to mute your mic because a lot of noise is coming here. Then after that, the last step is that making sense of the mathematical solution in terms of the real situation. So these are the steps of mathematization in the which is given in the PISA mathematics framework. Now let us see how these CCT skill type questions we can make. Let us consider a very simple arithmetic question. Suppose our question is what is 10 plus 5? So suddenly the answer will come in our mind that will tell the answer is 15. Okay. So most students when faced with such a question will find it easy to answer. So this is an example of rote based learning. So let us look at the same question in a different way. If I will ask in this way, the answer is 15. Now what could be the question for that one? So now some will come up with 11 plus 4 is equals to 15. Some will come up with 24 minus 9 is equals to 15. Some will come up with the other one, 45 divided by 3 is equals to 15, etc. etc. So these are the some of the obvious answers. Even, but there can also be several other solutions like there's 11 plus 1 square, that is also equals to 15, using all ones, using all fours, using all nines, using uh, 1 2 3 4 numbers. How can we form the answer? How can we form the numbers by using all the mathematical symbol so that we get the answer 15? So there the critical thinking will come. So now I'm going to present one practice item. So in the given below layout, the design and the measurement has been made such that the area of two bedrooms, bedroom number 1 and bedroom number 2, and the kitchen together is 95 square meter. Means the area of these three is 95 square meter. And based on this diagram, one question is there. One question we frame that form the pair of linear equations in two variables from this situation. Now, one more question is can arise here that in the CCT based questions all the questions may be the multiple choice questions. So not like that. It may be some questions may be solving questions also, and most of the questions are multiple choice questions. So here the area of two bedroom is that is 5x and 5x. This is also x, so we'll get 10x. And the area of kitchen is because this is 5 and we know that the length into breadth, so 5 into y. Okay, and the total area is already given in the question that 95 meter square, so we'll get the first equation. Similarly, the total perimeter no sorry, the length is equals to 15 meters. So here the length will be equals to x plus 2 plus y, and that will be equals to 15. So we'll get another equation. So these are the two answers for this question. Now let us move towards one more question. Find the length of the outer boundary of the layout. So outer boundary means the all perimeter. So the length of this side is, we can calculate by adding all these three, and length of this side is also 15. So we can add up all the measurement to get the length of the boundary. So 12 plus 15 plus 12 plus 15, so we'll get the 54 meter answer. Now let us move towards one more question. Find the area of each bedroom and kitchen in the layout. Now we form the two equations. We form the two equations in the first bit. And now we are going to solve those two equations. On solving these two equations, we'll get two values for x and y. With respect to x, we are getting 6 meter and y is equals to 7 meter. Now area of each bedroom, area of one bedroom is 5 into x. So we'll get 5 into 6, that is 30 meter square. And the area of kitchen is 5 into y. So y is 7, so 5 into 7 is 34 meter square. And one more question we can frame here, find the area of living room in the layout. So this is the living room. So again the child will think that how we will calculate the living room. So the answer is the area of living room is equals to the complete, if we remove the bedroom from all this area, the complete rectangle. So we'll get 75 meter square. Now the last question, find the cost of laying tiles in kitchen at the rate of rupees 50 per square meter. Now kitchen, the area of kitchen we already got in the third bit, that is 35 square meter, and the rate is given. So we can calculate the total cost by multiplying 50 by 35, that is 1750. So we got the correct option C. So this is one example of practice item. Now I would like to hand over to Sharif sir again to present one example of science literacy. Sir, Sharif sir, please.